I got a PlayStation 5, and this console have issue like when someone try to play games, it shut off after 10 minutes or sometimes after 35 minutes or more. So something like that, the issue probably like overheating, or the console need to clean, or sometimes the power supply have issue. So I will try to fix this console. Hopefully you enjoy. You can see guys, this console is so clean, but I will try to check the heatsink if they have dust or something like that, so I will try to clean it. After that I will check the liquid metal, if they have any spots is not good, I will check it also. If all of that is good, that means they have issue on the power supply. As you can see, the console so clean. So they have probably the liquid metal have issue or the power supply. I think the power supply have issue, but let's try to check the liquid metal. Yeah, the liquid metal is perfect. So then let's try to change the power supply. Just put extra liquid metal just in case. So I will try to return everything back and change the power supply. The liquid metal and the power supply available on our shop. If you like to buy a brand new or a high quality product, just go to Aynax.Tech.com. I return most of the part and test the console like around an hour, and everything is perfect. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment.